Yesterday we had this very interesting experience going to this very traditional called steam room that native Southern Americans, they call them Temascal. And what it is, it's a round, large teepee, and it represents mother's womb. And in the middle, there is a pit that you heat up some volcanic stones outside in a fire that you set up. And then with a pitchfork, you bring these volcanic stones one by one inside the pit, and you bless it with this traditional herbal medicine that they have here. It's called kapal, and it has this sense. It's very, very strong in sense it has. And each of those volcanic stones that coming in are the grandmothers that are holding the family together. And the ritual is when you, first of all, the women and men are separated. They sit separate inside this dark room, I guess. And then you walk in. Before you walk in, you get purified with this sense, with the kapal. And then you come in and then you kiss the earth and say, Aho. You salute to the earth, Mother Earth, and then you, on all fours, you crawl and find your seat and sit there. And after they bring all the stones in, they close the door and you sing 4 songs, and they're all very ritual songs, and it's all about connecting to the earth, which is the body of a human, connecting to water. So all 4 elements are there for you. Connecting to water, which is the blood of human, connecting to air, which is the breath of human, and the fire, which is the spirit of the human. And I have to tell you, when I went in and as I'm crawling, because I'm claustrophobic, I couldn't breathe. So I had to get out and come back again, stay in line, and keep doing my breathing exercises until I got through the 4 songs, the first round. And then you do these 4 rounds, and each time you sing new songs, and you get to choose if you want to sing a song for the group. So it's a group healing session. It's a very sacred place. It's healing in the mother's womb. That's the idea. And then it was quite an experience for me.